talk to you for just a moment about guidance. In the book of Galatians chapter 5, Paul says, "Since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in step with the Spirit." In other places, the Bible teaches about the path of the righteous is like the light of dawn. It shines brighter and brighter. Too often, you and I, when we come to God for guidance, we want God to show us everything, every detail right now. But it doesn't work like that. For most of the time in our life, as we move forward into what God has already showed us, we see what's next. We literally put our footsteps in the footsteps of the Holy Spirit. We keep in step with the Spirit. So rather than worry about next month or next year, why don't you just get a little bit more focused on doing exactly what the Holy Spirit wants you to do today? If you will learn to keep in step with the Spirit, you will always be where you're supposed to be, and you will always be doing what you're supposed to be doing, and you will always be right there where the opportunity has been prepared, and it wasn't a big decision. Following God, doing the will of God, is not about the big decisions. It's about one step at a time, one little decision at a time, keeping in step with the Spirit.